Welcome back to the Wings on Wheels, and today I am really excited to announce that my first project car build-up has started. Stay tuned with the upcoming videos as I will be unboxing or installing new parts on my Volkswagen GTI. As of now, today my wheels have arrived and I am really excited about these as these are not just any alloy wheels but they are Enkei from Japan production line. Enkei manufacturers in USA too, but not the kind of alloys you would want for performance and just for looks. Whereas Enkei Japan manufactures various kinds of alloys from forged to the performance line alloy wheels with proper web charts indicating their performance in each aspects such as cornering, braking, acceleration, deacceleration, handling and impact. You can log on to enkei.co.jp and select the wheels you like and check their performance indication shown on their page. Also, performance is performance when you only can measure it, and Enkei Japan has shown that extensively. You will not find that much variety of designs that you would normally find in other co-brands, but let me tell you guys, if you want performance then you will have to compromise on looks a little. But in the end of the day, if you find a design that you like, I assure you that it will not let you down in performance once you install them. Before unboxing the wheels, I would like to say thanks to Achintya Mehrotra's AM Racing, without whom importing these wheels would have been really hard as Enkei Japan doesn't have any dealers in India as of now. So as you can see, the wheels come in really well packed box with instructions all around it. Inside the box you will find a manual for the aluminium wheels maintenance and an alloy cover. And this is the Enkei's PFM1 dark silver color as this is a matte Dura processed alloy wheel. It's comparatively light but stronger than stock alloy of my GTI. I'm yet to compare between their weights, but I know the load capacity of PFM1 is higher than the stocks. The stock one could only take 480 kgs of weight, but these PFM1 can take up to 540 kgs. Also with PFM1, you get brass black colored air valve caps which are of top notch quality and black center caps with Enkei written on them. On the side groups, you can also see the manufacturing place, the standard marking, the PFM1 name and company's name written on them. All in all, it's a really beautiful alloy wheel in my opinion and is the best looking alloy in the Enkei performance line. In the inside groups, the weight and load capacity is mentioned, and also to ensure the quality of each and every alloy, they are inspected by an Enkei engineer before dispatching, whose name will always be written, and just below that you can find the manufacturing date as well. Here are some photos of these PFM1s, and soon I will be posting the installation video of these alloys really soon. Till then, thank you for watching this video. This is Wings on Wheels signing off.